Hi, thank you for joining me. This is a special video. I'm really excited about this video. Last week it was Peter's birthday, and I wanted to give Peter something that was unique, something different, something that he didn't have, something he couldn't find anywhere. And so what I did is I made him an electric guitar. Now, having said that, Peter will come in here and surprise me with little visits every now and then. And what are you working on, Dad? I'm working on another acoustic guitar. And he'll go, oh yeah, that's really exciting, Dad. You're doing another acoustic guitar. Can't you do something different, like make an electric guitar or something different? So yes, I did. I put together an electric guitar, and I'm going to show you some photographs of this guitar. Now, this project started, this is now November 1. It started back in July. Now, the first picture you're going to see here is the body hanging outside in the backyard as I'm spraying lacquer on it, front and back. And you can see a little bit of the writing that is on the front of the guitar. Now, you'll see a better picture of that in just a moment. But the second picture that you'll see here is the back of the guitar. And as you know, Peter has this pirate life, and on the back is the skull and the knives crossed underneath it that I had painted on by my sister. And she's an artist of just amazing talent. And she did this in nothing flat, and she put all the artwork on the front as well as the back. Now, the next picture you're going to see here, which isn't terribly exciting, is a picture of the neck. And what I did is I sprayed the peg head black, and I had put tape over top of a lapel pin. Now, that skull that you saw, Peter gave me a lapel pin, and it had that little piece sticking out of the back. Well, I cut that off, and I traced it out on the top of the peg head and did the best job I could with my shaking hands to inlay it, and we managed to get it. I didn't get it quite perfect, but it's pretty good, and given what I'm working with, it's way better than I thought it would be. Now, the next picture I would like to show you is a picture of the back cavity where all the wiring goes. You can see the wiring mess that is here. Now, fortunately, it's all color-coded, so it's not that difficult. But when you first look at it and you look at the pots, you go, oh my goodness, are you kidding me? This can't possibly work. But it did, and it all fit inside, and it worked out extremely well. Now here's the guitar put together and sitting on my workbench. Now you can really see clearly the top. I haven't put on the bridge yet, but you can see where the artwork was done by my sister, and she just did a fabulous job of that. Now, the back of the guitar with all the plates on and ready to be delivered is, and you'll see the skull and the cross knives there as well that she painted on the back. So it's coming along, and we left it like that for quite some time. But I always had to be prepared that if Peter was to drop in here like he did just before his birthday, I had this thing hidden away so that he wouldn't accidentally walk into it. And I wanted to do a video and show you this progression all along, but Peter will every now and then check out my videos and he would know what was going on, and I didn't want him to know. Now, this last picture is a picture in the case of the final guitar as I delivered it to Peter. And he's been playing it and he's been enjoying it. And it was a total surprise. He did not expect this at all. So there's the first electric guitar, and there'll be more. And I think he'll keep this one. I don't know why not. He'll probably just hang it in his office or take it down to work and put it in the studio. But whatever he decides to do with it, I'm sure he'll enjoy it for many years. So that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick update on that. The last thing I want to tell you is that the book is done. I'm just waiting for the copy to arrive here, which should be here in a day or two. So later this week, I will be putting up a video and telling you that you can order a copy of Priorities, Inspiration for Busy People. So that book will be available very, very soon, and I'll put something up there for you to see very quickly. I may even do a shorts so that you can see it. All right, that's it for me. I think I've earned this, it's time for a cup of tea. And this is, let's see, this is Yorkshire. This is Yorkshire decaf today with a little bit of, just a dab of cream in here. And oh, it's delicious. So get yourself a cup of tea. Come and join me. If you've got some questions, shoot them off to teawithmonty@gmail.com, teawithmonty@gmail.com. And we'll have a cup of tea together, and I'll get the chance to answer some of your questions. So shoot those along to me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.